kubor ki Bniah. Myntri Rangbah ka jala konrat ke sangma hinin kesngi ula penlong ke Jingïalang Khmih Bniah lingba ka video conference bat ki deputy commissioner lembat baro kitnat badai pet ban Khmih Bniah ke jingjulor namar ka jingther uslap ha ka joko por ban Pyntikna ke jing Tehlakam jong ka du ka jinglin chop maryang hapo ka jala ulong baka sarkar ka penle jingmut habaro ki jingjulor ka jingdu ye ki minsim brio ba ka jingtinjo ba pher ka ba ki district bat ki nongsong shnong ki kendu Myntri Rangbah ula ongru baka Jingïalang ka long man Khmih Bniah ya ki lat ki lenti ki bala shim de ki bo district bar ka ba kham dan kam man Pyntikna ya ki Jingpynkhreh ba dan kam kom ka Jingpynkhreh na uslap u bala Khmih lenti hakini ki sngi banwan.
This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people.